We originally heard about this program in grade 9 and it was something that we always wanted to do.
Going into this program, I knew we'd be doing hydrant work. I knew we'd be working with hoses, with burn buildings, first aid and whatnot, but I didn't know it would be so in-depth and so fast.
It's been a full experience, full 8 days of jam-packed fun. It's been unreal.
Look how strong those are where your door closes, right?
The reason I like it so much is because I thought I wanted to be a firefighter, and now I know I want to be a firefighter. And this program really allowed me to just get all the nitty-gritty parts of being a firefighter. You know, it's more than just what you do with your hands, it's just being involved in the fire hall and understanding the lifestyle that entails.
I've never been this close with these many people in 7 days. We've gelled so much and we definitely met some best friends here that's gonna last a lifetime.
We already have plans to hang outside the group, and it's great because we're all like-minded and we all come together and work hard as a team and get things done, and it's just the biggest sense of accomplishment you can really imagine of.
Overall, this program's been amazing and it's once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that we'll never forget.
I highly recommend it to anybody who has the opportunity to take something on just like this.